The Mi-35M Super Hind combat helicopter, also known as the Super Hind, is the latest evolution of the Mi-24 Hind helicopter family. Developed by the MIL Moscow helicopter plant, this helicopter offers attack, close air support and personnel transport capabilities in a robust and flexible package. Dimensions and weight: length 21.6 meters, height 6.5 meters, rotor width 17.3 meters, empty weight 8.5 tons, and maximum flying weight 12.2 tons. Engine and speed: Tax Klimov VK to 500 turboshaft engines with thrust 2000 for 100 shp each. Maximum speed at 310 km per hour and cruise speed 260 km per hour, and also reach maximum range for 150 km and endurance 3 hours 30 minutes without additional fuel. Armament and avionics: Cannon 1x23mm GSH to 3L cannon. Rockets B-8V to OA rocket launcher system with S-8 rockets, missiles capacity to carry anti-tank, anti-ship and surface-to-air missiles, radar target acquisition and designation system VH-73, advanced navigation and communications systems, and also electronic defense systems ESM and countermeasures. Protection and armor: special glass and armored panels provide protection against small arms and splinters, ability to withstand extreme weather and battlefield conditions. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next interesting content. See you in the next video.